In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a mod menu in Watch Dogs. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down, under manual install, select the manual download option and download this mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And right click on the game and select open file location. Go back to game folder. Drag and drop these three folders inside of a game folder. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key and open this Nexus tools. Go to trainer and able to see player trainer, vehicles, items and environment. Go to vehicles, choose the vehicle type you like to spawn. Choose the vehicle you like to spawn. Just select the vehicle and it will be spawned. To close this menu, press the insert key and now you can enjoy the car. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.